Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects us all, the foods we eat every day and how they might be impacting our health. We all have favorite meals that we enjoy regularly, but have you ever stopped to consider if some of these foods could be harmful? In this video, we're going to explore 5 common foods that are staples in many people's diets yet may increase the risk of developing cancer. So, have you ever thought that some of your favorite foods could potentially contribute to cancer? What are these foods, and what makes them risky? We'll discuss the symptoms and health issues that can arise from consuming these foods over time, ranging from digestive problems to more severe conditions. For example, compounds like acrylamide in fried foods, nitrates in processed meats, and high sugar content in sodas are all linked to increased cancer risks. Raising awareness about these risks is the first step toward prevention. By understanding what we eat and how it's prepared, we can make more informed choices for our health. We'll also provide tips on healthier alternatives and how to minimize exposure to harmful substances. So, stay tuned as we break down these foods and explore safer options to help you lead a healthier life. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats include products like sausages, ham, bacon, and hot dogs. These meats are often preserved using nitrates or nitrites, which help prevent bacterial growth and maintain the meat's color. However, in the body, nitrates and nitrites can react with other compounds to form nitrosamines, a group of chemicals that can cause cancer. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, processed meats are classified as Group 1 carcinogens, indicating clear evidence from epidemiological studies that consumption of these meats is associated with an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Nitrosamines are formed when nitrates or nitrites in meat react with amines in foods or the stomach. Nitrosamines have been shown to be carcinogenic in animal studies and are considered likely to be carcinogenic to humans. Health experts recommend limiting the intake of processed meats to reduce the risk of cancer. Instead, they advise prioritizing less processed protein sources such as poultry, fish, beans, and nuts. Minimizing the consumption of processed meats and choosing healthier dietary options can significantly reduce the risk of cancer. Health organizations emphasize the benefits of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and minimally processed proteins for overall well-being and cancer prevention. 2. Red meat. Red meat, including beef, lamb, and pork, has been identified as a potential risk factor for increased cancer risk, particularly colorectal cancer. The primary reason for this link is the presence of carcinogenic compounds such as heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which often form during high-temperature cooking processes like grilling and frying. HCAs and PAHs have the ability to damage DNA, thereby initiating cancer development. Moreover, red meat contains high levels of hemoglobin and myoglobin, iron-containing compounds that can induce biochemical reactions damaging the lining of the colon. In addition to cancer, high consumption of red meat is associated with kidney diseases. A diet rich in protein from red meat can increase the workload on the kidneys, particularly when kidney function is already compromised. Excessive protein intake can lead to the formation of waste products such as urea and uric acid, increasing the risk of kidney stones and other renal problems. Moreover, a diet high in saturated fats and cholesterol from red meat can lead to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, which can further elevate blood pressure and reduce kidney function. Health organizations recommend limiting red meat intake to less than 500 grams per week and advocate for cooking methods that minimize the formation of harmful compounds, such as steaming, light grilling, or slow cooking. Shifting to other protein sources, such as fish, poultry, legumes, and nuts, not only helps reduce the risk of cancer and kidney disease but also improves overall health. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more important health information. 3. Fast food and processed foods. Fast food and processed foods are often laden with harmful components that can significantly increase the risk of developing cancer. Firstly, these foods are typically high in saturated fats and trans fats. Saturated fats, found abundantly in processed meats, cheese, and fried items, can elevate levels of LDL cholesterol in the blood, which is linked to an increased risk of colorectal and breast cancer. Moreover, nitrates and nitrites, used as preservatives in sausages, ham, and bacon, can convert into nitrosamines in the stomach, a group of compounds that are recognized as carcinogens. Additionally, the high-temperature cooking methods often used in preparing fast foods, such as grilling or frying, can lead to the formation of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, and heterocyclic amines, HCAs. These compounds are known to damage DNA, increasing the risk of cancers, especially those of the stomach and colon. Lastly, the high levels of sugars and refined carbohydrates found in sugary drinks and sweet snacks contribute to obesity, a significant risk factor for several cancers, including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancers. These foods can also spike insulin levels and related growth factors, which may promote the growth of cancer cells. 4. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, including sodas and sweetened beverages, are closely linked to the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes, which are major risk factors for cancer. Firstly, these drinks contain high amounts of calories but offer little nutritional value, leading to weight gain and obesity when consumed regularly. Obesity not only contributes to severe health issues but is also a proven risk factor for various cancers, including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancers. Additionally, the high sugar content in these beverages can cause sudden spikes in blood glucose levels, increasing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, which further promotes the growth of cancer cells. Moreover, the presence of preservatives and additives like sodium benzoate, artificial colors, and flavors in these drinks raises health concerns. While typically deemed safe in small quantities, frequent consumption can lead to metabolic issues and allergic reactions. Furthermore, regular intake of sugary drinks negatively impacts oral health, causing problems such as cavities and tooth erosion. Instead, choosing healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or unsweetened beverages can significantly contribute to maintaining a healthy weight and improving metabolic health, thereby enhancing the quality of life. 5. Fried foods. Fried foods, especially those cooked with reused oil or at high temperatures, pose significant health risks due to the presence of harmful compounds like acrylamide. When starchy foods such as potatoes, bread, or other flour-based products are fried, baked, or roasted at high temperatures, a chemical reaction known as the Maillard reaction occurs. This reaction not only creates appealing flavors and colors but also produces acrylamide, a chemical classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, as a probable human carcinogen. Studies have shown that acrylamide can damage DNA, increasing the risk of developing various cancers, particularly in animal studies. Additionally, fried foods often contain unhealthy fats, including trans fats and saturated fats. Trans fats, commonly found in industrially fried foods, have been shown to increase levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and decrease levels of good cholesterol, HDL, thus raising the risk of cardiovascular diseases and potentially contributing to certain cancers. Moreover, when foods are charred or cooked at very high temperatures, fats from the food can drip onto the heat source, creating smoke that contains polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These PAHs can adhere to the surface of the food, and when consumed, they may cause DNA damage and increase the risk of stomach and lung cancers. 8 nutritional foods that help you prevent cancer. Certain foods are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients, which can help prevent cancer and promote overall health. Here is a detailed list of these beneficial foods and their health advantages. Leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and broccoli are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. These substances help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to cancer. Additionally, these greens are high in fiber, aiding in digestive health and reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain high levels of anthocyanins, vitamin C, and other antioxidants. These compounds not only help prevent the growth of cancer cells but also boost the immune system, helping the body fight off illnesses. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that omega-3s can help prevent cancer, especially breast and colorectal cancer. Moreover, omega-3s are beneficial for cardiovascular health and brain function. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and seeds like chia and flax seeds provide healthy fats, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They help control weight, reduce bad cholesterol, and enhance overall health. Some studies also suggest that consuming nuts may lower the risk of colorectal cancer. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Lycopene has been shown to reduce the risk of prostate cancer and other types of cancer. Interestingly, lycopene becomes more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Numerous studies have shown that garlic can help reduce the risk of several cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancer. Allicin is also known for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to combat infections. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that can prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Catechins also have cardiovascular benefits and aid in weight management, making green tea an essential part of a healthy diet. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber aids in maintaining digestive health, lowering cholesterol, and managing weight, thus reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can not only help reduce the risk of cancer but also improve overall health. We hope that the detailed information shared has helped you understand the harmful effects of unhealthy foods and drinks, such as processed meats, red meat, fast food, fried foods, and sugary drinks, on your health. These foods not only increase the risk of cancer but also seriously impact liver, kidney, and cardiovascular function. To protect your health, we should limit the consumption of these foods and instead opt for healthier cooking methods and nutritious foods. By focusing on leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, tomatoes, garlic, green tea, and whole grains, you're not only fueling your body with essential nutrients but also protecting it from various diseases, including cancer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video so that others can also benefit from this information, and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on the latest videos on health and nutrition. Thank you, and see you in the next video.